Let me take a moment to appreciate the accessories. Thank you for being here. I appreciate it a lot. Anyways, hi, hello, it's me and I'm back with another video. We have a very exciting video today for me. It's a swimsuit haul slash review. I don't know. There's only one swimsuit, two pieces, a top and a bottom. This was a big purchase for me. This was probably the most expensive swimsuit for sure, but possibly just piece of clothing in general that I have ever bought, and that includes like my prom dress. I bought a swimsuit from the clothing brand Forest Inc. Absolutely gorgeous alternative brand. Everything they make aesthetically, design-wise, just ooh. If I had the money, I would own probably one of everything, but I do not. I do not have the money. I'm trying to be a more conscious consumer, as I think many of us are. Forest Inc. is like a small batch, sustainable, pays their workers hopefully a livable wage type of brand. They don't use plastic packaging. The mailers that they come in are supposed to be biodegradable, so that's nice. They only have like a couple designs being sold at any given time, so it's not like just churning out, you know, thousands of stolen designs like other companies that we all know and probably have purchased from, myself included. Let's get into this. The pieces that I bought are the Bloodlust bikini top. I bought that in a medium, and the bat wing swim shorts, which I bought in a large. I went based on sizing, the sizing on their website for those things, and just, you know, fingers crossed. I'm sure it'll be fine. Like I said, no plastic, 100% biodegradable. I hope that's true. These ones are the Batwing swim shorts. They are a swim short. They are full coverage in the back. No booty cheek is gonna be showing in these bad boys. That's good for me. I have to literally like finagle a way to hold this against my arm so you can see the details, because I have a maximalist background. There we go. Okay, so the bottom of the short has this bat wing scalloping that is so cute. It has this little corset lacing kind of detail, kind of like football pants, honestly. Fully decorative, can't even be unlaced. Knowing me, I'd lose that string in about 2 seconds if it could be undone. Just like feeling these out of the bag, the material is really thick. It's very nice, feels durable. You know, when you know, aforementioned fast fashion sites, you know, the Shein, the Amazon, you know, when you take the clothing item out of the bag it comes in and it just wafts you in the face with that like plastic fire retardant fish smell? These do not have that. And there's like no loose threads. Nothing is like unfinished or falling apart instantly out of the bag. So once again, good. That's good. The other thing I got, the Bloodlust bikini top. This is freaking cute. I hope it fits well. Already, here's a promising development. This is the booby cut, and it is just like doubled up thick fabric. There's none of that padding nonsense. I don't know about you, but every time I buy a swimsuit with one of those tiny stupid little circle pads, I hate that. I hate it so much. Nobody's boob is shaped like that. I don't know who it's good for. If you're one of the people it's good for, please comment. I just need to know if you're out there. The person who designed this padding, I fear they've never seen a boob in their life. Sorry, I got a little wound up there. It has these nice metal buckles on it. I can like jiggle around the clasp in the buckle, and it doesn't feel like it's instantly gonna snap off. It's got that batwing detailing, so hopefully they look really cute together. It is a halter, you know, tie around the neck situation, and then it has this little cutout right there. But this is going to be very cute. Around the back, it's got nice, thick, sturdy straps to tie. Let's go ahead and try these bad boys on. Alright, I'm all changed into the swimsuit. If you can see my leg hair and you're upset by it, hey, I'm sorry about that, but not sorry enough to shave. Here's what we're working with for the top. It is, I'll admit, a little more full coverage than I was expecting. I feel like I maybe could have even gone with a small. I really like how my tattoo peeks through right there. That's so cute. I literally have to like do this so you can see the shape. Wish this laid just like a little flatter. Like it really kind of comes out right here at the seam.
And then I tried to record some full body footage in my room, but I feel like you can't tell the details all that well, so I went ahead and refilmed during the day in a better lit environment, so hopefully you can see everything here. And I just put together a little outfit that I thought would be like realistic for walking around the beach or on the boardwalk, a little skirt cover up, and I don't know why I always like to wear like a big shirt at the beach, but then here's a swimsuit by itself. And watching this back, like, not to toot my own horn, but that swimsuit is so cute. Like, I know we all have our things we're self-conscious about, but watching this back, I feel like I look so cute. Like, I love it.
You guys get the gist? I don't feel like anything's gonna fall out of anywhere, so that's also good for just utilitarian reasons. So overall, yeah, everything feels good. Nothing feels like it's sliding around or falling out or like too tight or too loose. So as far as sizing goes, website was accurate. I think it's very cute. Like I said, only complaints, I could have gotten this maybe a size smaller. I expected it to be a little less full coverage. It's really hard to judge because it seems like most of the models have a pretty big bust, and I don't. For the bottoms, only complaint is like that one seam, and that's like barely a complaint. It creates like a waist illusion, a waist hip illusion type thing, but I just wanted to like look like my actual body. But first impressions are good. As long as it holds up, I do foresee myself buying from the website again. I went ahead and put on a cover up because I felt weird about sitting in a swimsuit for the rest of the video. But I think I said all of my opinions that were worth saying. If you have any questions that I didn't get to in the video, anything about the pieces that I bought or just about the buying experience in general, you can leave them in the comments and I'll get around to answering them. If you enjoyed watching this, please like the video. Subscribe if you want to see more of me. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm here. And I keep coming back. So, I'll see you guys in the next video. And thank you so much for watching. Okay, bye.